Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. This is showing you how to start mini importation in Nigeria. If this is your first time watching my video, can please subscribe to my channel, like it and share my video. So in this course, I'll be sharing full course on mini importation in Nigeria. So these are the outline that you need to know. Introduction to mini importation, understand the mini importation business, finding like suppliers, tools needed for mini importation, registering your mini importation business, capital requirement to start, how to make payments, shipping methods, market and selling your products, customer service and product delivery, profit calculation and scaling your business, common challenges in mini importation, and additional resources that I need to add for you guys to know. So let's get started with business. The first one is introduction to mini importation. Mini importation involves buying products in small quantities from foreign suppliers and selling them at a profit in Nigeria. Yeah. So we call it lucrative because you buy it in small amounts, then you sell it at higher price here. So that's what we call it. It's lucrative due to the demand for foreign products and low startup capital because people do normally demand for foreign products like that in Nigeria, and not you check if the 100% of people who are buying something or what we are buying in Nigeria, maybe like let me just say like 10% is from Nigeria. But what we are wearing mostly just like or buying or demanding a lot is 90% from foreign countries. That's why importation is very profitable. So the second one is understanding the mini importation business. Focus on high demand products like fashion items, gadgets, or beauty products here. Because if you don't focus on something that will bring you profit, you just think like maybe this thing is not real or you are just trying to waste your money. You have to look for something that will quickly for you a lot of money that you can start investing in. So these are the high demand products that people are always demanding a lot. So like fashion items, like clothes, stuff like that, accessories like that, gadgets or beauty products like skincare and all related stuff like that. So they set the market to avoid risky products. And the second one is also make sure that they set the market like you're trying to search for the what people are always demanding just to avoid risky products sometimes. So it really helps. So the third one is finding reliable suppliers because this is one of the major things that you need to focus on when you're trying to start a mini importation. But you must have more than two suppliers sometimes, or more than let me just say like 3 to 5 suppliers. Also make sure you have something like that. So they use trusted platform like AliExpress, Alibaba, and 1688.com. So you can make use of these three. These three are very reliable suppliers that you can make use of. Is the highly one that I recommend you to you guys if you are trying to start up a mini importation in Nigeria right now. So verify suppliers by checking reviews and ratings. So this is another major thing you have to make sure you take measure of again. Because if you don't try to check their reviews, this thing might lead to something that maybe someone just demands for something and then you didn't check the review of the suppliers you're trying to get your product from. And the suppliers maybe the supplier is in like is very delaying of not sending the product at the right time, then that means here will be the customer that you are just trying to send something to will be very disappointed with that. Oh, you're not good at this thing. So you have to make sure you have more than 2 to 3 suppliers like that. So and there are more other suppliers you also go through. So but these are the highly recommended account. These are the highly one I can recommend to you guys. So the fourth one is tools needed for mini importation. So essential tools, like in the system or smartphone, any one of the two can start your mini importation business right away. If you have any of the two, then the second one is the like anyone must have this one. It's a must. Internet, email. So you make use of email like for like ordering product like that. So they send some message to you like maybe whatever you purchase or whatever you try to message with suppliers. And the fourth one like shipping calculators and payment gateways like paper or Alipay. So these are all the things you need to have. So the fifth one is registering your mini importation business. Yeah, it is very important. when you start building your business, make sure you register your main importation business. Register your business with CAC in Nigeria and open a corporate account. There are also there are also some other members that you can also register your business, but the one that is highly recommended for you guys is making use of Corporate Affairs Commission. They are very good. They handle your business registration, brand, or stuff like that, your registration online. So that means that you've already registered your business online. So another one is build a brand to gain customer trust. This is very important also. You must always try to gain customer trust by shipping it to them at the right time, and even they are the not the at the expected time they even expect that they are going to see their product, the product is going to reach them. Make sure that the product reach them at the right time. So they will be they will so you have trust in you that wow, this person is very highly recommended to others people out there. So they try to recommend it to their friends, like you're trying to gain trust of them, like you send the product at the right time to them. So that's another thing. You have to gain customer trust. Another one is sixth one is what we call the capital requirement. Capital requirement. So like you have to start with small amount of capital. So what's it called, like 50,000 naira to 300,000. You can start your importation business. So that's how you start of a business. So budget for product cost, shipping, and custom duties. These are the three things you have to focus on when you want to start your capital requirements: product cost, shipping, and custom duties. Because whenever they are shipping the product to you guys, they collect shipping fee. The product cost, like the product you order, you get like you order from supplier. That's the price. Shipping cost, the shipping that the shipping cost that we help you to ship all your goods to Nigeria. And the last one is what we call the custom duties. It's like we all know that you must pay custom duties before anything can reach you. So that's it. So seventh one is how to make payments. You're trying to make payment to foreign people. Yeah, you can make use of PayPal, Pioneer, or Alipay to make international payments. So avoid scams by using secure payment method. So that's it. So the eighth one that you have to know that shipping methods. The shipping methods do like I'll choose between air, sea, and express shipping. Yeah. Whether you want to maybe you want your product to be shipped by air or sea, like shipping them like on express shipping also. So that's it. The choice that you want. That's the method, the shipping method that you want that you really like. Maybe you're interested in shipping by air or sea or express shipping. And the one that you have to understand custom duties and clearing process in Nigeria. That's another thing you have to be sure you know. So make sure you know that the custom duties and clearing process in Nigeria is that they will always collect anything like money. They will collect money from you whenever your products land in Nigeria before it can reach you. So you have to pay custom duties also. So the ninth one is marketing and selling products, selling your products. Use platform like Jumia, Konga, Instagram, or Facebook or marketplace. That's when like you just trying to sell your product after getting your product. Maybe you're looking for where to sell your product. You can go to like online to Jumia, Konga, even Alibaba. You can go there. So AliExpress, you can go there to sell your product, or Facebook marketplace. So leverage your social media and paid ads for promotion. What does it mean? Like you just have to leverage your social media and pay ads for promotion. Leverage your social media just like you trying to run adverts for your products you are trying to sell. So there's another way you can quickly get money. Like keep promoting your products to people who are highly to buy your products. So that's what it means. Just like you running ads for your products. So the third one is like customer service and product delivery. So set up delivery using local companies like Gig Logistic or DHL. Yeah. You can also make use of the website or all these website like Conga to help you do your delivery stuff like that. But it will be so in case you are not doing you are not getting supplies from Nigeria. In case as when you are getting supplies within Nigeria, you can make use of all these Conga, Jumia and stuff like that. But when you're getting it from outside the country, you be the one to ship your product to your client. So set up delivery using local companies like D Logistic or DHL provide excellent customer service to ensure repeat business. Yeah. This one you have to make sure that whenever you're trying to ship anything to your product, make sure it reach the customer at the right time. So I've been noticing that wow, this place is very good and it's very good at sending things at the right time to me. Like the gig logistics stands for God is Good Logistic. It is a Nigeria-based logistic company that provides domestic and international delivery service, including parcel delivery, express shipping, and e-commerce fulfillment solutions. So these are the work of gig logistic. And the DHS stands for Dasu Ibmom and Lin, named after the founders Adrian Dasley. So they are also it is a global courier parcel and express mail service provider offering international shipping and logistics solutions. DHL is widely known for fast and reliable delivery service across the world. So you can reach them out in case you want to ship any package to your clients whenever they order your products. So the 11th one is profit calculation and scaling. So this one is on your so you have to calculate your profit margin and invest in your business. Like spend it on invest in yourself, but best thing is just like invest back into your business. So you won't be looking for where to start. You won't be looking for another capital to start again. So that's it. So scale by expanding your product line. So 12th one is common challenges that we all normally have. Prepare for delayed shipment. That's not for you trying to ship to your buyers, but prepare for delayed shipment. When you are trying to get your product from suppliers from other countries, just make sure you prepare for delayed shipment because sometimes it doesn't normally go as you want. So exchange rate issues and customer complaints. So and stuff like that. Protect yourself from fraudulent suppliers because there are a lot of scammers online. So make sure you don't get into wrong suppliers. So always make sure that you do your research very well before getting a supplier and make sure you always check their reviews to know that maybe they are real or not because there are a lot of people just trying to be a supplier but they are scammers. When you just pay the like this, then you just postpone your day like get your products ready but you won't be able to get anything by the end of the day. So the last one is additional resources. Utilize online training, books and importation communities, stay informed and connected. So that's why you always stay ahead of business, always stay in always stay in tune with whatever is going with your community, like what's trending. Do you get that's how you do it. So if you really enjoy my video, come subscribe to my channel and like share my video. Thanks for watching. Good day everyone.